Hi everyone, hi friend, welcome to my video. If you have been following my previous video, you know that I am doing a course on UPSC previous year's question paper. So in this video, I will discuss Civil Service Mains 2020 paper 2 question paper. So you can read this question paper specific instructions and physical constant which may be needed, and first question is here. Wait and watch. So prove the Bohr hydrogen atom approach classical condition when and become a very large and small quantum jumps are involved. Question will be find the probability current density for the wave function psi x comma t a e power minus px h cut plus b e minus iota px h cut e minus iota px squared t to m h cut interpreted the result physically. Question number C is here. A blue lamp emits light mean wavelength of 4500 angstrom. The ratings of the lamps is 115 volt. 8% of the energy appears as the light. How many photons are emitted per second by the lamps? And question number D is here. In a certain cyclotron, the maximum radius that the path of a deuteron may have before it is deflected out of the magnetic field is 20 cm. First, calculate the velocity of the deuteron at the radius. Second, what is the energy of deuteron in mega electron volts? Given the magnetic 1500 Gausses and mass of deuteron is 3.37 into 10 to the minus 27 kgs. And question number is here. The lattice parameter and the atomic mass of a diatomic crystal are 3.57 angstrom and 12 respectively. Calculate the density of the crystal given Avogadro number. Avogadro n is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 26 kg moles. And question number 2 is here. A particle is described by the wave function phi x pi power minus 1 by 4 pi power 4 minus 1 by 4 e power minus ax square by 2. Calculate delta x and delta p for a particles and verify the uncertainty relation delta x delta p is equal to h cut by 2. This is uncertainty principles. And question number B is here. Consider a Hamilton operator A with property AQ is equal to 1 so that A is equal to 1. Question number C. Write the principle of a nuclear magnetic resonance NMR. Explain the design and working of NMR and write its importance of applications. In question number 3. Determine the normal Zeeman effect. Splitting the cadmium red lines is 6438 angstrom when the atoms are placed in a magnetic field of 0.0010 T. And question number B is here. Explain how the magnetic moment of the atoms, the space continuous angular momentums, and the spin of electron are measuring using Stern-Gerlach experiment. And question number C is here. If the z component of an electron's spin is h plus h cut by 2, what is the probability that is component along a direction z for an angle theta with z axis is h cut by 2 or minus h cut by 2? What is the average value of spin along z? And question number 4a here. Calculate in the term of the nuclear magnetons un the magnetic dipole moment of S13 ester of deuteron. Give the mu p is equal to 2.792847 mu n and the mu n minus 1.913042 microamps. And question number B is here. Write down a basic weak interactions process in a nuclei. Also illustrate the beta decay of first neutron and 2 protons. Question number C. Using the two fluid of model of a conductor, normal and superconducting, and the Maxwell equation drives to London equation of superconductivity. And group section B is here. We see this. Write the wave function of a particles on the both sides of a state potential for E is greater than V0. So Vx is equal to V0, x is greater than 0, 0 is equal to x is less than 0. So you read this graphs, and after this interpreted the result physically and explain the Moshwar effect. And question number C is national uranium found in the earth's crust content the isotope uranium-92-235 and the uranium-92-238 in atomic ratio 7.3 into 10 to the power -3 to 1. Assuming that at the time for formation these two isotopes were produced equally, estimate the time of since formations. And question number not also some remains parts. Given that the mean lives of the both isotopes are 1.03 into 10 to the power 9 years and 6.49 into 10 to the power 9 years respectively. And question number D is here. In an almost pure thick aluminum sheet, there are 0.9 atomic percent of copper at the surface and 0.1 atomic percent at a depth of 1.2 mm from the surface. Calculate the flux of the copper's atoms for the surface at 515 degrees Celsius. If the diffusion coefficient of a copper in aluminum at this temperature is 5.25 into 10 to the power -13 meters square second, given AIFCC with the latest parameter A is equal to 4.05 A. And question number is here. Calculate the Hall coefficient of sodium based on the free electron models. Sodium has BCC structure and the side of the cube is 4.28 angstroms. Question number 6A. Write down the Weizsäcker's mass formula for the nuclear binding energy. Give short justification for each term of the formulas. And question number B is here. What is an intrinsic semiconductor? An intrinsic silicon has a band gap of 1.1 electron volts and at T is equal to 300 kelvins. The conductivity is not zero. Explain the comment with the help of relevant expression on this position of Fermi levels of an intrinsic semiconductors. And question is here. Consider an amplifier with an open loops, no feedback gains of A and A feedback factor beta. Derive the expression for the gains with the feedback AF. Derive the condition for the amplifier with feedback to act as an oscillator. Comment on the change of AF with a charge in A. And question number 7A. Using the uncertainty principle, delta x delta p is greater than s cut by 2. Estimate the ground state of a harmonic oscillator. And question number B is here. Prove the commutation relation for the angular momentum L square Lz is equal to 0. Also show that L cross vector L cross is equal to minus I h cut L. And question number C is here. The potential energy of a diatomic molecule in the terms of interatomic spacing R is given by UR is equal to minus A R square plus B R10. So where A is equal to 1.44 into 10 to the power 39 JM square and B is equal to 2.19 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 15 JM 10. Calculate the equilibrium spacing RE and the dissociation energy. And question number 8 is here. Calculate the frequency of an electron in the first Bohr orbit of the hydrogen atom. What's Zeeman effect? Explain the Zeeman effect on the basis of classical electron theory. And question number C is here. List the mass reactions of the pp chain leadings for hydrogen and helium during the stellar nucleosynthesis also mentions the net effect of the reactions. Question number 2. List into separate coulombs the quantities that are conserved are not conserved in the weak instruction of the particles. So that is all related to this discussion is for today. Thank you very much and best of luck.